I have started my coaching from three months ago. Before the exams, I started 3 months ago, and when I reached finally to the exam, that was like 2 months ago. I completely gave my all time to the ma'am and sir, and the revision, whatever the classes they have been told to us, I followed everything, and the revision. Finally, if you talk with the revision, that was the important step in the coaching that gives us the good knowledge and good knowledge. And if we talk with the sir's classes, that was the amazing classes. The way of teaching of the sir is like amazing and amazing. I did not even thought like that. And madam's examples and the way of teaching of the madam is completely different.
Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Elite Expertise. Again, today we are joined with one of our successful OPRA candidate who recently cleared his OPRA July examination, Tejavath Ramakrishna. Welcome, Tejavath. How are you feeling?
It's a great feeling, man. It's a great feeling. I can't express my word in. It's an amazing feeling.
Please tell our viewers more about yourself, about your background, what did you do, where you belong to, and how you thought of preparing for this OPRA examination.
Yeah, actually my background is Pharmacy from India, which I passed out in the year of 2022. After that, I came to the Australia, and one of my friend already got passed out through the elite expertise. So I got referred from him, and I joined here after completing my graduation. I joined here after 2 years. Yeah, I took the coaching from elite.
So currently you are in Australia?
Yes, I am in Australia right now.
Okay, so would you like to tell us about your journey of getting started from India to Australia and why you chose to work in Australia only? What was your motivation?
Actually, I also did not know that I will come to the Australia here first of all. Unfortunately, finally I am here, and there is a huge journey. Firstly, I worked in MedPlace, which is in India, for 2 years. After that, my friend motivated me to come here, and finally I came here. So I got to know that if we clear the OPRA exam, we will get a pharmacist here. So I tried my level best to get past this exam, and there was an coaching like elite expertise. I can't express any words for this one. Ma'am and sir, they are Arief and Harika ma'am. They are the extraordinary lecturers. Superb and superb. The way of teaching, the way of communicating with the students, and everything was superb and amazing.
Okay, would you like to tell more about your expectations before joining Elite Expertise and the reality that you came through while being in the classes, getting mentored by sir and ma'am?
Yeah. Beforely, I was zero knowledge. Why? Because I got 2 years of gap between my studies, so I don't have any remembrance of my study. After I joined here, the way of teaching of the ma'am and the sir, I got my knowledge back again. And beforely, I don't have any opportunities for the PR. Now, after getting passed of this exam, I have one chance of getting PR. And if we come to the classes and preparation, I did my level best. What to say, like, I have started my coaching from three months ago. Before the exams, I started 3 months ago, and when I reached finally to the exam, that was like 2 months ago, I completely gave my all time to the ma'am and sir, and the revision, whatever the classes they have been told to us, I followed everything. And the revision, finally, if we talk with the revision, that was the important step in the coaching that gives us the good knowledge and good knowledge. And if we talk with the sir's classes, that was the amazing classes. The way of teaching of the sir is like amazing and amazing. I did not even thought like that. And madam's examples and the way of teaching of the madam is completely different. That was very nice for us. And each and every word from madam and the sir is important for our class and for exam as well. We should not ignore those small words also. Those are the important words. We need to follow each and everything. If we give our time to the ma'am and sir, definitely we will succeed in our life. That's it I did throughout these 3 months.
Okay, so those 3 months were enough for you to prepare for your examination. At the same time, you were also working, right? You were working in Australia.
Yes, I was working before, but when I started my preparation, I listened to the SARS and MAM's classes. Simultaneously, I had worked, and after 1 month, I just gave my all time to MAM and sir, and I just prepared for this exam only.
So, would you like to enlighten us about how you manage time? Because many candidates might be watching this video, they might be wondering how a person who have gone from India to Australia, working in a certain job, and then at the same time preparing for OPRA examination, that too with a coaching institute, how all was managed?
Yeah, managing is the first thing we need to do in our life. When we are planning to start our study, firstly we need to manage everything. The money here we spend is not an important. It's a very 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 important thing. So we need to manage, like, firstly we need to do something to survive here. We should not ignore the jobs whatever we have. We just need to take one shift, at least one shift or two shifts per week, so that can give you little bit money, like to survive for 1 week. Like that we need to do everything, and we should not ignore the classes. Mainly to succeed the exam, we need to go with the classes. Simultaneously we need to do work, but when we are studying we need to little bit ignore the works. But you can do like 1 or 2 shifts that can be enough for 1 week to survive here. Like that, for simultaneously next week you just go for 2 or 1 job, 1 shift. That can be enough for 1 week. Just give your time to your ma'am and sir, you will get succeed your exam.
And if I have to ask the most challenging part of this 3 month journey and how elite expertise helped you to cope up with that challenge, then what's your take?
Challenging. This was the huge challenging. I didn't expect that. Before that, I had very curious and I was very nervous. I will get past this exam or not? How will be the paper, and what should I do? Money is important, and we can't ignore the money. I had lots of questions in my mind before the joining the classes. After that, little bit after 1 month, I just left everything. I just gave my time to the ma'am and sir. That's make me here now.
Exactly. Tejavath, preparing for an examination is one thing, giving you 100% is second thing. But the majority important part is when you are in the exam hall, whatever goes to your mind, that manifest as your result, right? What was your thoughts when you were in the exam hall and what you felt when you came out of that exam hall?
Yeah, when I was in my examination, the questions are when I was reading the question, first of all, when I was reading the questions, the words of madam and sirs was reflecting in my mind. Each and every question relating to the topic was reflecting in my mind. I was just remembering those words, and I just reading the question and options, and just go on like that. And each and every question, I had 120 questions in my exam. For each and every question, I literally saying that each and every question, I was reading on the paper, that means in the monitor. Those questions are related to the madam and sir's word. Each and everything, not even the small thing also. Each and every word was reflecting in my mind. That was okay. That day, ma'am told me this topic, and sir told me this topic. Like that, I got remembered everything.
That's amazing. Like you said that whatever you learned in the class was all there in the exam hall, right?
Yeah, it was almost all of those questions were in the exam.
Yeah, that's amazing. And how was your reaction once you realized that you have finally successfully cleared the OPRA examination?
Yeah, that was an amazing feeling when we see the word pass there. That was an huge achievement for me. And when I saw the password in the system, I just remember madam and sir. I just thankful them, and I just gone through the madam and sir. That's it.
That's so nice of you. So, Tejavath, if you have to summarize your entire journey with elite expertise for this OPRA preparation in 3 sentences, I know you have spent 3 months, but you have to define your experience in 3 sentences, then what those 3 sentences would be.
I would like to just say that in just 3 months, that's not a huge time. I can say that that's a little bit time. We need to just leave those 3 months time and just give this 3 months time to sir and ma'am. They will take you somewhere else. And the revision part, if we talk with the revision part, final part, that's an important thing in last 3 months. The revision part, which the SARS classes, that is the important thing. That's it. We need to just give our time. That's it. And you will see the results in after 3 minutes. You will see the results. That's it.
Okay, so you mean listening to the lectures, that revision of the last month, and regular mock exams. These are the things that are enough for you to
sorry,
clear
I
your
forgot
exam.
to say one thing: mocks exam and mocks preparation. That is also an important. I literally say that I practiced all the mocks, and finally I got like 30 to 35 questions from the mocks. I just prayed at that time when I saw those questions from the mocks as well. I just prayed elite expertise for the huge achievement. Yeah.
You might have wondered that are sir or ma'am setting the question set because you said that you got the same questions there.
Yeah. When I was seeing those questions in the paper, I felt laughing on me only. I was like wondering what's happening here. What was these questions? Like that, I was wondering by seeing those questions. So we should give mocks as much as possible, as much as time, as much as how much you practice. That's make good.
So, if I have to ask about your final advice to those candidates who have not made up their mind, who just think that should I give OPRA or should I not give OPRA? What will happen afterwards? I'll have to spend some money. What's your advice to them who want to take OPRA exam but they are hesitant?
Yeah, everyone are hesitant and everyone are nervous, curious, anxiety. But I can say one thing to them, that just don't think about present, just think about your future. Just give your 3 months time to the elite expertise, Arief sir and ma'am. They will show you a future.
Okay, now any final feedback for the team elite expertise?
Sorry, sir?
Any final feedback for the team Elite Expertise?
Yeah, that's this 3 month step is important for me from the Elite Expertise. This Elite Expertise gave me lots of confidence and literally no words. It's a huge achievement from myself, and guidance and coaching from the Elite Expertise was superb and superb.
Thank you so much, Tejavath, for your appreciation and kind words. We wish you all the very best for this stepping stone that you have moved forward for your pharmacy career abroad in Australia. And we know that there are many steps ahead, like which also includes you completing your internship and then preparing for intern written and intern oral exams. That too, we would like to assist you further. Whenever you need us, we are there for you. And we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors at the same time. Thank you so much for having this conversation with us.
Thank you so much, and all the best for Elite Expertise for the future students as well.
Yeah, sure. I wish that they all see mine and yours conversation and they get inspired. They understand that how a person like you, who was earlier a bit doubtful, but later overcame his doubt and surrendered himself to his gurus like Harika ma'am and Arief sir. And in the end, the result was awesome.
Awesome. That was a huge achievement for everything.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Tejavath. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All the best.